Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will guide you through how to sell or close a trade using the MEXC Futures mobile app. So whether you are opening a short or long trade, this tutorial will help you learn how to sell your position like a pro. So even if you're new to futures trading, so let's get started. Okay, first open your MEXC application and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you are in the app, tap the futures icon at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see popular trading pairs like BTC USDT, ETH USDT and others. In futures trading, we don't directly sell like in spot. Instead, we close a position, either a long or a short. So if you have opened a long position, betting price will go up. You will sell to close it. If you're in a short position, betting price will go down. You will buy to close it. Once the position is active, it will show up under the positions tab right here. To close or sell, just tap the position, then click close and confirm with a market or limit order. You can also set a take profit or stop loss in advance, so it closes automatically when it hits your target. So in futures, selling means closing the trade. Whether it's a win or a loss, you can do it manually or set auto TPSL, and that's how you sell your position in MEXC futures on mobile. Easy once you know where to look. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.